to my channel. DCS right here. So it has really been a very long week, and over here I got is another Hot Wheel. It's a really cool one, guys. So over here I have is a Dodge Challenger drift car. It's so damn amazing. Like, you can just combine the word muscle with the JDM stuff. You can just call it like that, and just look at it. It's got that cool stripes on it, and with the 426 number, and those wheels, those lovely looking wheels with that golden trim, and of course not to ignore the rear spoiler. It's so damn large, and it's really cooler than the other Dodge Challenger. Well, it's got 6 out of 10 in night burners, as you can see over there. So yeah, what else can we talk about? Oh yeah, the last week's video. Well, the last week's video was about the C3 Corvette, the 69 C3 Corvette. It was also as fancy as this Dodge Challenger. So yep, not much to talk about. If you guys haven't watched that, just check that out. So yep, guys, moving on to the quick quiz question of the last week. Well, it was the question was, what does STI stands for? So the first answer was given by Dog Service Dog. Like, he just gave it right away. The answer was Subaru Technica International, guys. He just gave the correct answer. So yup, he deserved it. He's an actual car guy. So yup, guys, moving on to today's quick quiz. So yeah, let's go for it. The question is, what does SRT stands for? So I think most of the car guys might have gotten that answer till now. So just comment it down below, and I'll see who just commented first. So yeah, moving on to today's, guys. So it's the Dodge Challenger drift car. Let's go for the unboxing first and take a round look, and then let's go for the information. So yup, let's go. Okay, so here are the Dodge Challengers out of the box, and wow, take a look at it. It's so damn cool. Actually, the color is more attractive than the other stuff on this car. Like, if you talk about the front has got nothing much. You've got the headlamps not detailed, and the fog lamps not detailed. And yup, the hood is quite nice. It's got the stripes on it, and yup, the Hemi 426 Hemi, it's really cool. Yup, at the sides you've got the wheels quite nice, and the exhaust is not quite seen, so can't mention much about it. At the rear, you haven't got the tail lamps quite detailed, so can't mention much more. Yup, and you've got the large spoilers. So as you've seen the round look of this car in the intro, so I can't mention much about it. So yeah, why don't we just yeah, move on for the information. So yep, let's go for it. Yep, guys, here the information part begins about the Dodge Challenger drift car right here. So let's move on to our first part. That's the production. So the production actually began in 1968, and yep, it's still moving on at the present. So yep, guys, starting out with the body side. The body side of this car is actually a coupe. So moving to the engine. The engine is actually a V8, which is a 6.4 liter Hemi. It's a really massive engine, guys, and it's a rear wheel drive. So yep, talking about the transmission, guys. The transmission, you can either go for a 6-speed manual or for an 8-speed auto, but I would prefer the 6-speed manual for the shifting thrill, or yeah, the thrill for shift. So yep, guys, going for the horsepower. The horsepower of this car, it packs up to 485 horsepower, which is legit amazing. So yeah, moving to the length, guys. The length of this car is 5,022 in millimeters, guys. Well, time about the width. The width of this car is 1,924 millimeters. Well, time about the top speed. Oh, it's back again. The top speed of this car is 170 miles per hour, which is really a remarkable top speed. And moving on to the 0 to 60, guys, this car does it in 4.5 seconds, which is a very good one. So yep, guys, moving on to the price of this car. The price of this car is ranging from $33,000 to around $58,000, which is, yep, it's really a kind of a budget car. So yep, guys, talking about the last one, cause all the information's ended. It's the special facts, so let's go for it. Let's see what's it got here. So it's quite a big one. Okay, so yep, as you guys can see here, the Challenger SRT Hellcat is the first factory supercharged Hemi Hemi, which makes up to 707 horsepower, and it's the most powerful V8 engine ever produced by Chrysler Group. Yep guys, the SRT Hellcat is a legit fast car. It actually touches a top speed of 203 miles per hour. I just heard that rumor. It is really an amazing muscle car, guys. Like, it's so damn ferocious. So yep guys, as I've ended up the information, you know what to do. Just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share all your friends and family. I'll see you on next week with another cool car. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend.